Hello and welcome to another DSPB video. In this review I'm taking a close look at Fuji's latest firmware upgrade 4.0 for the Fuji X-T2. If you know Fuji and their update philosophy, then you know that this is not just a simple update. What you get here in this 4.0 Kaizen upgrade are completely new features which you simply don't get with any other brand. Maybe Panasonic and the GH5, but then it's over. The most important features for me is that Fuji now included internal f-log and 120p slow motion for the Fuji X-T2 users and further improved low light focusing and AFC speed. Which is more than remarkable because Fuji's new X-H1 has these features already, but Fuji is not holding back the good stuff, and now you also have this in your 2-year-old X-T2. I really think that quite a lot of people still don't understand why buying a Fuji system is an investment in the future. Fuji is not throwing camera bodies like crazy on the market, like Sony and others do, for example, but instead you will have support and feature upgrades for years to come. So thank you Fuji for your amazing support. That's exactly why I love this brand and I will continue to buy Fuji products. To test all that, for this video I used the Fujinon 50-140 2.8 and my AFC setting was ignore obstacles and continue to track subjects. In this example here you can already see how good the video AFC is performing now. My little girl is running quite fast, but the X-T2's focusing system is working perfectly here. Here is some more 120p slow motion goodness covered in Fuji's beautiful Eterna film simulation. Yes, you can also have Fuji's Eterna film simulation from the X-H1 with your Fuji X-T2 video files now. I already showed you in one of my videos how you can get Eterna without Fuji f-log by making the files very flat and then adding Fuji's own Eterna LUT on top. But now you can just record your Fuji f-log and then put the Eterna LUT on your files in DaVinci Resolve, for example. Link to the Eterna LUT is down in the video description of this video. And the video AFC is even more impressive in this slow-mo scene. Capturing persons who are running into your direction is very difficult for the focusing system of any camera and lens combination, but here it worked just perfectly. And here is another scene. You can see how quickly the focus is following the cyclists, even behind the trees. And I think the time when it fails to focus and refocuses is shorter now after the 4.0 update. Now, how good is the slow motion? I think for only full HD it looks very good. Sometimes you can see some moire, but that's really not a big issue. So basically, software wise, now you have everything useful what the Fuji X-H1 has in the X-T2. Except of the higher bitrate. The X-H1 records 200 Mbps files and the X-T2 unfortunately only 100 Mbps. In my opinion, it's only a matter of time that Fuji X-T2 users will also get 200 Mbps bitrate video recording. The NX500 mod already showed that the bitrate can be upgraded very easily. That mod hack video is also on my channel. But this upgrade throws one big question into the room. Why should you buy a Fuji X-H1 now? Well, basically it's the IBIS and the better grip what makes the difference. My recommendation, if you are thinking about buying the X-T2 or the X-H1, first of all, wait for the release of the Fuji X-T3. The X-T3 will be announced very soon and then prices for the X-T2 will drop. If you want the best bang for the buck, get the X-T2. Only get the X-H1 if you totally want IBIS. In my opinion, Fuji made quite a mistake with this camera. They should have made this similar to the GH5S with dual ISO, but with the advantage of the APS-C sensor size and with even more video orientated features like 10-bit, 4K, 60p and so on. Nonetheless, it's second to none what Fuji does with their firmware upgrades, and this 4.0 upgrade is by far the best yet for the X-T2. There are even more features like focus stacking the X-T2 got with this upgrade, but I will show you all that in my upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe to DS Photoblog's YouTube channel and to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hope this is useful for you. If you want to support this channel, you can use the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.